Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today y'all, we are doing a wig install from Luvmehair. So thank you to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over this beautiful colored burgundy wig. Now at first y'all, I really didn't know what to expect because when I first pulled this wig out the box, I don't know, it just wasn't giving to me. Like it just wasn't giving. I don't know what it was. But as you guys can see with this wig, it's not a full lace frontal. I don't know how much lace is on here, but you guys already know all the information will be in my description box down below. So I did go ahead and wash this wig because I didn't like the curls out of the box. It just wasn't working out for me. So I did wash this wig, and I only put makeup on the lace as well because as you guys can see, there wasn't a lot of lace on this wig. So of course the first step is we're just gonna cut off this lace. You guys already know. I always use a razor. Me personally, I love using razors to cut my lace. I know some people use scissors, but like, I don't know, I just don't like the scissors. I just feel like the razor just gives you a way more natural look. So to get this wig looking somewhat natural, or somewhat like my real hair kind of, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my flat iron and my wax stick. I realized with this wig, like you guys obviously seen, there's not a lot of lace on here, so there really wasn't too much to flat iron or to use my hot comb over. So I really just focused the hot comb in the middle because I was going for a middle part. Now I'm not too sure if you guys can do a side part with this wig. I don't know. I feel like if you're really good with wigs, you can probably get away with it somehow. But if I was to wear this wig, I probably would only wear it in a middle part because, you know, there's not too much lace that you can really work with. But like I said, I'm just going ahead using my hot comb to get this somewhat flat and to get my part a little more defined, because I love when I have a middle part and it just looks like sleek, you know. And also I wanted to keep this video in like real time instead of like fast forwarding it. Oh my gosh, I can't even say that word. Instead of fast forwarding the clips, because I really want y'all to see like how I got this install, like start to finish. Because I don't know if you guys seen, but this is also glueless. I didn't use any glue, or well, I will be using spray later on in the video, but honestly I just threw this wig on, y'all. Like, it was so easy, so simple. I feel like the only thing that really took me a long time was probably curling the hair. Like, it was really 1 2 3. So I honestly would really recommend this wig if you guys are kind of like beginners to wig, or usually if you just like to switch up your hair from time to time, this wig is perfect. I feel like this wig can honestly probably last like a week and some change, honestly. But me, I wouldn't wear this like overnight. I probably would like throw it on during the day, you know what I'm saying? So like each day I'll probably like put it back on. I wouldn't sleep in it though, but I love me a glueless wig. They're just so easy. They save your edges and they save you time. Okay, so now time for styling, my favorite part. I'm going to be using my bubble wand curl, and this is from Amazon. I forgot the name, like the brand of this, but if you guys would like, I could link it down below if I could find it. But I really love the way that this bubble wand, I love the curls that it gives me. I kind of sometimes like it better than like the curling iron, but it really just depends on how I'm feeling. But the curls on this came out really fire. I think it went really well with this hair as well. I would describe this wig as like a dark red, maroonish burgundy. Honestly, it's a really pretty color, y'all. Like, really pretty. And at first, while I was curling the hair, I didn't realize how short this wig was. Like, once I started curling it, it really got like short, which is obviously gonna happen because you're curling the hair. But I didn't realize like how short it was gonna be. But it actually came out cute. I don't know. It was kind of giving me like mom vibes for some reason. Like, I don't know. Maybe it was just me, but it was a really cute wig. And honestly, the final product was actually really cute as well. So yeah, so just enjoy me curling my hair, just using my bubble wand curl, and stay tuned for the finished product so y'all can see how this wig came out. I would like to get to know if I could.
dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, whippings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis vest, girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of the penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
At this point, I was really deciding if I wanted to cut this hair, like cut layers into it, because I don't know, the front pieces was kind of throwing me off. But I just ended up cutting like a little bit of hair on the side, not too much, because I really didn't want to give it like a layered look, if that makes any sense. Like I kind of liked the way that it looked. So I'm just going in with my Got To Be Glued spray, because like I said, when I do my middle parts, I like for them to be, you know, like a middle part. Like I like them to be defined, if that makes any sense. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my oil. I think this is the Moroccan oil, I think. I don't know, I forgot, but it's from Target or Walmart. You can get it from. And then I'm going to be putting some concealer on my lace, because I felt like my part was kind of like, I don't know, I just felt like it was missing something. Like it wasn't giving. It was not giving what it's supposed to. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro concealer. Well, I guess first I'm going to cut my hair, and then later I'm going to go in with the concealer. And like I said, I didn't want to cut off like too much hair, just like a little bit, because I don't know, it was just throwing me off a little bit. You know, you just usually have those like random pieces just doing too much, you know? So yeah, I'm just playing in my hair, trying to figure out how I wanted it. I was starting to feel this hair, y'all. Like it was actually coming out really cute. Because like I said in the beginning, I really didn't know what to expect, but it was actually coming out really cute. I'm just taking my wide tooth comb, brushing through the curls, you know, giving it some body, some shape, you know. Okay, so here I'm using my concealer. This is my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm just trying to, you know, spruce up the parting a little bit, give it a little more neatness, you know. Not too much though. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit, because I don't like when my parts, like I like to do concealer, but I don't like it when it's like too bright. So I really wasn't trying to make it like too bright, you know. But here's the finished look, y'all. It came out super cute, so adorable. I really love this color. It's so pretty. I love it. Like it's actually a really pretty wig. So if you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. I will have all the information. And thank you to Luvmehair again for sponsoring today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Get to know